Around Town is getting a new set in the Boston 25 studio. Yesterday we showed you the before and the beginning of the process, and today a glimpse of the actual build. I got to join in with our amazing build and design team, CC Woodcrafters.
Hey, Charlie.
Hey, Michelle.
I'm here, ready to get to work. Charlie, this is your workshop, and this is a dream come true for you. You had all of this, most of this, in your basement for quite a while, didn't you?
Indeed, yes. It is a dream come true. I've been wanting to own my own business, especially woodworking, since I got out of college in '91.
After years of working in sales, that dream turned into reality in 2002.
It was a challenge, but you have to start somewhere.
What Charlie started has grown and grown and grown.
And when you show people around, are they jealous? Like, I want that saw, I want this, I want that.
Absolutely. I think their mind starts to move what they can do in their own home if they had all these tools.
But the woodworking itself is an art, and today I got to play the role of artist and assist in the exciting build of our new set.
Very excited to do this for you guys. Yeah, we're super excited, especially to have you here to help us.
All right, let's get to work.
Let's do it.
Today we're working on the doors for our built-in cabinets.
Thanks for letting me in here, by the way. No one will even let me have a chainsaw.
We kick things off with some instruction about the different types of wood we're working with.
So this is maple hardwood. It's 3/4 thick, and it comes in varying widths.
Is this walnut?
That is walnut. Awesome, Michelle. I like it.
Then some measuring,
That's good.
cutting, drilling, mastering the power screwdriver,
Watch this.
Nice.
Again, like a pro.
sanding, and finally painting.
There you go. Perfect. First coat, Michelle.
Very nice.
Now putting it all together.
Thank you.
Awesome.
But every time I stand in front of the fireplace, I'll know that I built this.
That is your cabinet.
Number 15, lucky number 15.
Tune in tomorrow for the big reveal of our new set.